Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we are discussing related to 3D printing technology. For 3D printing, the softwares are required for programming the parts. So that purpose we are using Cura. So in this video, we are go through all the procedure, how to download the Cura, how to install it, and how to assign the printers to the software. Okay, so let's get started. To download the software, you have to search on the Google, that is Cura. The first link will be show you that Ultimaker cura. That first link you have to click on. There are several options are also available for the previous options, that is the versions which is already available previously. You can download that also. For the latest one, you can download from here. So after completion of the download, you can see this is the user interface of a particular software. I have already installed the software on my PC so that you can see this user interface from here. Okay. So if I want to add some of the printers, after installation, you will see this kind of window on your PC. So for if you are having the printer from Ultimaker, so you have to click on the Ultimaker printer. If you are not having the Ultimaker printer with you, so that is known as the non-Ultimaker printer, you have to click on this option. There are again two options are available. First one is the network printer and another one is the not network printer. So if you are buying from another brand which are available in the market such as Creality, that Anycubic, Artillery, and many of the players which are providing the 3D printers. So if you talk about the ELGO, there are also several types of printers are available. If I select any of them, if I go to the Anycubic one, there are several printers are also available. From them, you can select. So I can select the Anycubic Cobra from here. If I want to add this one, I have to click on this add option. The printer will show these options for you. I have already added this printer over here. I have renamed this. If I want to remove the printer from here, so you have to click on this option and you have to remove from this. Okay. I will delete that Reality Ender 3 from here. So I can now again adding the printer. This time I will add the Reality printer. Yes, this is Creality 3D. If I want to add Creality Ender 3v3 SC from here, if I click to want to add this from here, you have to just simply click on the add option. The printer software will suggest you these are the dimensions of your printer. This is the printing dimensions and this is the extruder settings. There is no need to modify this one. You have to just simply click on the next option and then your printer is added here. You can see that from it. So if you are having multiple 3D printers with you, the same softwares you can use for printing the or programming this particular parts. Okay. So let's use some of the models that we are already designed and let's see how we can use this particular software. For this video, we are only focusing on how to install it, how to do some basic settings, and then later on in the further videos we will have a close look on what are the different features which are available in this software and how we can use, and also we show you some of the videos of the printer also, so how we can generate the parts, how we can print the parts. For this particular video, for the demonstration purpose, I will draw some of the parts using the solid edge, and let's see how we can export that particular part from the software in the prescribed formats, and later on how we can import that model into the software, and we will see that one also. So I have designed some of the components. So let's we design the 20 cube from here, and we will going to extrude this part for 20 height, and let's export this document or this part in the str file format. I will put that into desktop 20 cube. Okay, so now let's come back to the programming software where we can import that model. Unless and until any model is inside the software, there are no options are available on the left side of your screen. So whenever we have imported some model, you can see the options are visible. These are suppressed in format, but if you select that one, these are will be visible. Okay. For these options, we made separate video so that you can check out that videos. Now we have already seen this procedure of designing some components, exporting that into the formats which are required for 3D printing, and we have imported. You have to just click on the slice option so that the software will generate some of the JPEGs. In this preview option, you can see the preview of this 3D printing. Okay. So this is the basic of downloading the software, installing, and what are the basic settings which are required to start your journey with the 3D printing. Okay. So in next video, we will cover all the details related to the software, and with the practical examples also we will show and how we can print these components. So see you soon in the next video. Thank you.